Alright, so let's start with using red. So I'm going to use Autarch red on K75 and I will mix this paint with black color. Okay, and I'm creating first highlight. So painting gems is you need to create highlight underneath, very different than the opposite than the non-metallic metal. So I'm creating reflection on the bottom. And now I will mix Autarch red with white color. Alright, so we've got the highlight. As the last stage, I will use pure white, it's not diluted. And I will place 2 dots on the black spot, so it will give a nice reflection. And I want to just add final highlight underneath. So the gem is finished. Let's see how it looks. So you don't need to use any varnish, gloss varnish, and it looks quite nice to look. And we're done with the model.